Annyeonghaseyo, 여러분! So, nandito na naman ako sa Nami Island. I'm still here with Gilson and Angie. So, malamig. So, it's winter. So, that's why it's so cold. And after nito, pupunta kami ulit ng Seoul. Pero, yeah, enjoy muna ito. Annyeong! Hi guys! So, nandito kami ni Angie. Sa likod ay makikita nyo yung waterfalls na nanigas na din. Hi guys! So, babalik na kami ng Seoul. So, dito muna kami ulit sa ferry. Napakalamig talaga. So, tingnan natin ang view. Beautiful!
Nice view. So, we arrive and we take a taxi.
괜찮아. Grabe si Gilson, ang galing niya. Pero humble pa rin siya.
그대는 선물입니다. 하늘이 내려준 홀로서 세상 속에 그대 지켜줄게요. 어느 날부터 소나기처럼.
Hey guys, so punta ko ng Angkop Station. Kita kami ng Sayongsan Station nila G at Gilson. So, annyeong! Hi guys, so nandito na ako sa Yongsan. Galing kami sa Yongsan. And then, nahiwa-hiwalay kami kasi na-move yung ano namin, yung alis. Okay, kaya hiwa-hiwalay kami ng buwan. So, finally, matutuloy na yung Nami Island. And super excited na kami. Hi guys! Hi Angie! Tapos nandun siya, bigla siya nandito. Lumitaw bigla. Pokemon yan.
A few moments later.
Annyeong!
Hello!
We're here. Ay, Angie! Ito ka. Let's vlog. So, we're going to Nami-som or Nami Island. Let's go! We're now here. Kapyong?
Kapyeong is the station, but the region
Kapyeong.
Kapyeong.
Yeah, this one. Elia Coffee. Annyeong! Hi! Yeah! Happy to see Gilson again.
Have to see.
Yeah. After 6 months, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Hey,
We met
Angie.
first
Yeah.
in 2012.
2022. We went.
22, yeah.
2012.
That's crossing.
Wow, was snow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here is snow a lot. It's the mountain.
Yeah, I hope later. Yeah, but no
I think
snow
there is
today.
snow tomorrow.
Tomorrow. But he has an appointment.
Yeah, okay. But I think it will snow in the night. So.
The night. Yeah.
But Tuesday, you.
Robot. Hello guys.
Hello.
Kakain kami. Excited na kami mag-video shoot later and photo shoot.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Kakain muna para may energy.
correct.
You only have 3 hours.
So guys, kakain na kami ng donuts dito. So, hindi na kami kakanin. Matamis na donuts. So, sweet. Annyeong
San guys.
Siya na mag-voice over guys.
Malapit kasi ako guys sa line 1 ng City Toll. Yung
So guys, papunta na kami ng Nami Island.
trees.
Ay, diba? Wala pala akong medyas, my God. So, papunta na kami. May nakikita nyo ba yun? Snow. Kasi walang bumabagsak na snow. Ano na yan? Mga tirang snow na yan. Kaya, ayun. Tataksi kami tapos sasakay kami ng I think, ano tawag doon? Ferry, ayun.
Kaya sa direct dito sa pinaka-Nami Island.
A few moments later.
Yan yung influenza. Influenza.
Dalawa guys yung option na
Yeah.
pagpunta ng Nami.
Marami rin kayong papanoorin.
And ferry.
Yeah.
Mag-ferry kami guys.
Uy, BTS. Oh my God. Makaka-copyright pa ako sa music dyan. Dapat magsalita tayo. Yeah, guys. So, papunta na kami. Hi, G.
Hello.
Hi, Gilson. How are you?
Hello.
Yeah. So, yun nga. Sabi nga ni G, may 2 ways nga daw para pupunta. So, pakita natin yan. Ayan. Kung gusto nyong cable car to.
Yeah, cable car
And then yung ferry.
ferry.
Yeah. But, yeah, hindi nga ganun kalamig ngayon. Here, where's the line? That line is there. Hi guys, nakapila kami dito. Hi, annyeong, Kilsong. Yeah. And then that's Angie.
So,
So crowded.
Yeah.
na kayo dito sa no need to
So, pupunta na kami dyan, guys. Dito na kami, guys. Punta na kami. Tatawid na kami doon.
Today is because the big holiday.
Yeah, big holiday.
9 days
Oh my
of
God.
holiday.
Wow.
Some companies can do that.
Some, not all.
So you see, most of the people here, they are not foreigners, they are locals.
Yeah, I see many locals. Guys, holiday na sa Korea, kaya puro mga Koreans din ang nakikita namin dito. Sunday pa, my gosh. Yeah.
Agora em direção à balsa.
Yeah, lahat nagbablog. Lahat ay nagbablog.
Pareho silang merong ano.
Oo nga, gimbal.
Ano pangalan niya?
DJ Osmo Pocket 3. Diba? Promotion pa.
I want that one too.
Yeah. Let's buy next time.
Estamos na beira de grande feriadão.
Ayan na yun. Ayan na guys. Ito, ang ganda ng view. Wow. Kagoshi po. Nami Nara.
E aqui é o barco.
Like, kamusta in the Philippines? Yeah guys. Hi. Akit na kami doon sa taas. Yeah. We will go up. All of us are vlogging.
Estamos todos fazendo vlog.
Yeah. Kumusta?
Como está? Ó,
Wow.
Ayun guys yung isang option.
isso é um jeito de...
Mabilis yun, pero mas ano.
Parang scary. Diyos ko. Oo nga, isa-isa. Wala. Hindi ko carry, te.
A few moments later.
How we say in Filipino?
Tara. Tara.
Para!
Yeah. It's like, let's go. Kaja.
Tara!
Tara. Pumunta na kami. Palabas na ako, guys. Oh my God. So, ito na. Oh. Dito na kami. Nasaan na sila? So, yung dinala niya pa yung gamit namin. Yung kurumi.
Magkapalit kasi kami outfit later.
Yeah. Now here guys. Hi namin ano. Ang daming tao. Grabe guys, ang daming holiday kasi kaya puro Koreans din yung nandito. Yeah, daming tao. Hi guys. So dito kami ni Angie, naglalakad sa Nami Island from Bulacan to Seoul to Nami Seoul.
Sanay ka mag-bike, man?
Hindi na. Dati. I'll just watch you.
Tandem.
And I'm wearing this one.
2 people bicycle.
Tandem.
Tandem.
Angkas na lang kita.
Oo, angkas na lang.
You want that one?
Angkas na lang. Para sweet.
Or para lahat tayo.
Oo.
Angkas.
Angkas. Angkas sa Korea. Endless Love, Winter Sonata. Yung 2. Guys, ito na nga pala ulit yung Nami Island. Daming tao. Oo. So try natin mamaya.
So this water is because of the snow melt.
Yeah.
Dati snow to lahat, oh. Dudulas-dulas ka pa.
Want marshmallow?
Later? Not later? So guys, nandito kami, basa pa yung puro mga snow kasi na natuna. Lalakad-lakad kami guys. Si Angie din, katabi ko.
Pag may nakita tayong CR tayo.
Sige.
Oh, I found!
Do you miss Brazil?
Brazil!
Do you miss Brazil?
Is that miss?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Alam niya yung ni Bruno Mars
Now
na.
it's summer.
Alam niya yung TikTok.
Ay, sige.
Yung kay Bruno Mars kasi taga-Brazil siya. Ayun lang.
TikTok tayo kasama si Gilson. So, nandito na kami guys. Maghahanap kami ng spot. Diba?
But don't use your phone in Manila.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Danger.
Or work?
Tourists.
Both single and TV, both have.
Oh my god guys, snow nga pala to. Medyo madulas kaya ingat kami.
So we have to go to Manila to apply?
Yeah, so far. And it's in the south part of Manila.
Let's take one piece.
Bridge.
No, at least Chemi.
What is Chevy Opso?
Chemi is fun.
Yeah, right now, whenever we travel, we walk around.
A few moments later.
Hi guys!
I don't want to.
So this is our part 2, change outfit. Yeah.
Change outfit.
Yeah, black. Now we red and black. Earlier it was white and red. Now it's for Angie black. Earlier it was Kaja. Part 2 fighting. Wow. Nasa taas na siya guys. Lahat kami nagpipicture dito. Makikita nyo. Lahat dito nagpicture, nagvideo. Okay ka lang ba dyan, G? Nakakapag-delete ka?
So actually here it gets very yellow.
When we went there. So whenever it's autumn, it's full of ginkgo trees. Yeah, I remember. Annyeonghaseyo, 여러분. So nandito na naman ako sa Nami Island. I'm still here with Gilson and Angie. So the first time that I went here, I was with Gilson. So still the same person and Chingu. So I'm really happy to be with him, and then Angie is also with me. So here is the famous place for I think autumn, right? There will be like full of ginkgo trees here if it's autumn, but now it's winter, so no trees, no leaves. So yeah, yeah. So we're having fun, and then video shoot and photo shoot here. So yeah, just enjoy, and I feel so happy right now. Yeah.
This is okay, right?
No, it's more dangerous for the.
I've been there many times.
Oh my God, be careful!
I
Don't.
leave my notebook in Starbucks. No
Oh
problem.
wow, you're lucky.
Oh, really?
It's so rare because usually they don't, you know. But then,
Cebu is fine.
Cebu. You were in Cebu. In Manila, don't do that. I don't have any idea. Frozen
It's
water.
natural.
Oh.
Recording?
Recording. Yeah. Hi guys. So, nandito kami ni Angie. Sa likod ay makikita nyo yung waterfalls na nanigas na din. So, it's being frozen now because it's winter. So, ano man sabi mo, malamig? Hindi siya ganun
Hindi
super
siya ganun
lamig.
kalamig. Kasi nung first time kong pumunta dito, talagang nag-snow. Yung kamay ko naninigas na mamanhead. Ngayon, okay lang. Sakto lang yung weather. Parang comfy na malamig.
Oo, comfy siya na malamig. Kasi hindi rin ako, wala akong coat. So, hindi siya ganun kalamig din talaga. So, okay naman. Pero may mga snow pa rin sa baba. At mag-ingat kayo pag ganito kasi medyo madulas.
Kasi natunaw yung ibang snow. Although tomorrow mag-snow sana, hindi namin naabutan.
Kaya
Sa
nga
weather,
dito.
nakalagay mag-snow. So sana sa Seoul, pag bukas mag-snow din.
Yeah, sana nga. And nga pala guys, nag-TikTok kami. So, papakita ko na lang kung ano nangyari. Hindi kami nag-practice kaya ang gulo.
That pala may behind the scene
Oo
tayo,
nga.
no? Na naka-vlog.
Oo nga, no? Hindi natin naisip. Ay, meron ata. Ay, hindi ata naka-record kay Gilson. So, mamaya mag-try ulit kami mag-TikTok para may behind the scene. Makita nyo, nakakatawa. So, gusto namin mag-TikTok kasama si Gilson. Kaya abangan nyo. Let's go. Ayain natin siya mag-TikTok. Ganchana. Gagawin natin yun, di ba? So, annyeong. There are many foreigners there.
Okay.
Koreans and also...
Brazil?
Yes, sometimes. Brazil is still American, right? South American.
But the south.
Yeah, not North.
It's okay. I don't want to be North America. I'm fine being Nami. In Korea we call Nami.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, Mindanao. I told you.
Mindanao. Mindanao is the third main island. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Luzon is, you're from Luzon?
Yeah, I'm from Luzon. G is also from Luzon.
Ah, so you're Luzon girls.
Yeah, Luzon girls.
So there's a difference from Mindanao, Luzon, and Visayas?
Yeah.
Philippines has 3 main islands.
Okay.
Yeah,
Luzon,
Visayas, Mindanao.
Okay.
So you're from Luzon.
So what's the best?
Best?
For me,
Everything.
I want to travel more in the Visayas
Mindanao?
and Mindanao area.
Yeah, she loves nature.
Yeah.
And
There are a lot of nature.
Culturally, they are similar or a little, some small difference?
But the Visayas and
Maybe kind of
those
different.
people from Visayas, they want to go to Manila to work.
Yeah, higher salary compared to, you know.
It's better.
Yeah. Yes guys, papunta na kami sa cafe.
You wanna cross the... Oh.
Yeah.
Drama.
Here? There?
Oh, drama.
What's that? Are they...
They are
They are.
confessing their feelings.
Confessing their feelings.
Real
Yeah. Oh.
life. Real life experience.
How about you, Gilson, your girlfriend? Where is she now?
She's busy working.
Oh, working, wow. Do you live together?
Probably. No.
No. Yeah.
No. More far.
Far? Ah,
She's
really?
living in another city.
Not in Seoul.
Bukchong.
Buk-
You know Bukchong?
In Gyeonggi-do?
It's Gyeonggi-do. Look
Far.
at both sides. No train.
No
Okay,
train. We are safe. Have you heard about the news? So guys, it's wow, so nice here. So peaceful. You can play anything here, Gilson.
Sorry?
Can you play anything here? You know, it's
Yeah, some people play soccer or ball games.
yeah. Wow. I think we went here last time, right? There are a lot of red.
Yeah.
I remember this place and there were no people. Very beautiful.
Maraming, leaves.
Oh, on a red. Momiji? In Japanese, momiji. Yeah, I remember that. We were like, oh my god, where are the red leaves? But then we saw.
You see this tree for them.
Yeah.
They were red before.
Red. Yeah.
Di ba may doon?
It's the same.
7 Wonders of the World.
Oo, sa
It's
Rio.
the same as the Philippines.
Same.
A few inches later.
Wilson said this is a secret cafe here at Nami Island. Ito nga pala, mga snow. Kala nyo nakakatuwa yung snow. It will make you, it's so slippery here. So be careful. Tayo. It's snow. Swing Cafe. Dito kami sa Swing Cafe. Medyo madalas dahil sa snow. So,
That table.
sa where? Odi? This one? Wow. Ito yung mga order namin. Ito yung mga hat. Ganda. Say Tagay.
Okay, Tagay.
Tagay. Yeah. Tagay.
Old building.
Hi guys, nandito nga
And
pala ako sa loob
they
ng
kind
Sweet
of
Cafe.
adapt it to a cosmetic shop.
Wow, so
And you
beautiful.
can try, and they have one experience. You have to go. You go, and they check your skin color, your skin, and they make it exactly for you.
Oh, this looks so peaceful. Annyeonghaseyo 여러분. So, nandito pa kami sa Jeju. Sorry, kasi na-miss ko yung Jeju dahil daw pupunta kami doon. Pero we're here at Nami Island Swing Cafe, which is introduced namin kanina. And makikita niyo yung view. So, yeah. At malamig. So, it's winter. So, that's why it's so cold. And, after nito, pupunta kami ulit ng Seoul. Pero, yeah. Enjoy na ito. Annyeong!
Yan. May photography skills din si Mads. Oh.
Okay.
Ang dilim na dito, guys.
Yana.
It's dark. It's so dark. Yeah. Lahat nagbablog. Oo nga, ang bilis ng oras, guys. Tama, dapat pala sinunod ko si G na 7.
I told you!
Yeah! Oh, so, lamig. Hi, G. Lamig, guys. Pauwi na kami ng Seoul. Yeah. Wow. Ganda ng ilaw. Kami, ito na yung ferry. Ito na yung nagmamadali kami, guys. Ito na yung ferry. So, pupunta na kami doon. Sasakay na kami. Pabalik na kami ng Seoul. Ang lamig. Ito na. Ayan na, di ba sasakay na kami dyan. Nakakatawa, nagmamadali na yung maraming mga Korean locals. Kaya may dito. Koreans. Annyeong. Sakay na kami.
Now take a taxi.
Yeah.
Oh, usok check.
Yeah. No usok. Ay, yeah, meron. Taray.
Kailangan pa baga.
Sa Namsan, no? Para kahit di tayo nag-e-effort, talagang may lumalabas eh. Yan, usok check mo nga ulit. Usok check, oh. Usok check. Hi guys, so babalik na kami ng Seoul. So dito muna kami ulit sa ferry. Napakalamig talaga. So tingnan natin ang view. Beautiful. Right. So, annyeong. Dito nga pala si G, kasama ko. Kasama ko si Gilson, siya nagwi-video. So, ano sabi mo? Na nandito tayo? Oo nga. So, masaya ka naman na nakakabalik tayo dito. Yeah. Aandar na kami, guys. So, yeah. Magbabay ka naman. Bye! So,
Bye guys.
thank you so much, Gilson. You did a great job and we're so happy to be with you again. And yeah, that's our adventure and it will not end here. We will have a lot of, adventure together and projects together. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Annyeong.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
It's bye.
I like my dog. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, Chinese? It's Chinese ciao, right?
Italian.
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 Ah, yeah. Ciao. Ciao.
So
Say
beautiful view.
matane, jane.
What?
Japanese. Matane, see you again. Jane,
Matane,
goodbye.
jane.
But it's the
Bella.
Bella, ciao. Bella, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Yeah, wow. So good. So beautiful. So nice.
Nice view.
Wow.
So we arrive and we take a taxi.
Okay. Alaso.
That's it.
A few moments later.
Hi. He's taking their food.
hands.
Usok
No.
check. Hi. Annyeong, Andy. Hi, Gilson. Usok check tayong lahat. Yeah, annyeong. So, we're walking from Nami Island. We're now here in Kapyong.
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 Yeah.
Here is Gangwon-do province.
Gangwon-do.
Gangwon-do province.
Gangwon-do, not Gangwon. Gangwon-do.
Gangwon-do.
Different? Gangwon-do?
No, it's the same.
Ah, the same. Yeah, there's a beautiful beach here in Gangwon-do, right?
Yeah, they're on opposite side.
Yeah.
Like Sokcho,
Yeah, Sokcho. I
Sokcho,
heard about
Gangneung.
Sokcho.
Donghae. Yeah, welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to Korea.
Yeah, welcome to Korea. Everywhere is chicken. Hi, G. Usok check ka naman dyan. Pakita mo naman.
Wala.
Wala na.
Ay,
Nawala
meron
na.
pa.
Ay, usok check kami, guys. Wait kami ng taxi. Guys, we arrived here in Gapyeong Station. Yeah. So, we're gonna walk and walk. At uuwi na kami ng Seoul. Mag-unlimited pa kaming barbecue. Hi guys, madilim na ilaw. Ay, Angie. Pupunta na kami ng Seoul. Kakain kami ng samgyup. Yes.
First meal of the day.
Oh, yeah. Totoo yan. Ano kami, cafe. Tapos lang kami kakain. Grabe itong mga pangyayari. So, dapat di namin makalimutan yung gagawin namin video. Ano kami gawin video namin? Yeah. We're now here back in Seoul with Gilson, big photographer. Ronaldo. Let's show Ronaldo's picture. 25 million followers. A World Cup champion. Oh my God. Angie showed it to me. I was surprised. Oh my God. Gilson is a big person, but he's still humble.
With 25 million
Oh
followers.
gosh, yeah. 25 million followers. Debak.
Soccer player.
Soccer player. Soccer? Football.
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 World Cup. Oh my God. Champion?
World Cup.
2020.
Oh my God. 2022.
22 was in Korea.
Grabe, bigatin si Gilson, guys.
He was not just playing, but also he made the 2 goals. This is it.
Wow. Grabe si Gilson. Ang galing niya. Pero humble pa rin siya.
Yes.
Yeah. Amazing, guys. Hi, say hi. Hey, Gilson, kamsahamnida. Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go to Miran. Yeah. And
Seoul muna.
Seoul. Seoul first. Ah, okay.
What they show?
Can be bus or anything.
Subway.
Let's go subway.
Yeah, I want to go
We
out.
have to cross.
I want to go. Yeah.
Kenchana?
괜찮아. Da-na-na-na-na. So guys, papunta na kami ng Myeongdong. Yeah. Oh my God, we're still gonna go out? Oh my God, so cold.
Yeah, we have to go out.
No choice.
Only if you get the line 1, but they don't
Ah.
go to Myeongdong.
Okay. 괜찮아.
A few moments later.
Yes, Gilson, can you tell video?
Avengers!
Yeah.
They have a fight.
Fight.
When they shoot in Seoul,
Captain America and Iron Man? Is it the
Yeah,
Avengers?
is the second one.
Ah, second one. Wow. Taray. Taray mo dyan. Wow. Debak.
They come to Seoul and
Amazing.
Busan also they go to
There?
Black Panther. Yeah, that part. They have a fight.
Avengers 2 daw. Hindi ko na maalala sa dami. There are a lot of Avengers, but the second one.
Yeah, the second one.
Wow. We're now here in...
So there's one thing that's very interesting. You see the green in the floor?
Oh, yeah. What's that? It's just color? A
It's
color?
because people are on the phone,
Ah.
and then you can know. We don't need to.
Yeah. I don't want... Yeah, we don't need to rush. 괜찮아.
We'll wait for the...
Yeah.
So you are in the phone, right? You're looking down, and then
Ah.
this is.
That's when people go...
You can make it. If you make a video about this, you go viral. In Brazil,
Really?
they have one.
Wow. So...
You have in Filipino?
No, the Philippines, meh. Joke.
Hey, do you know that's Korean?
So Koreans have this kind of light. So if it's red, stop, and then green, because Koreans, you know, love to look at their phone. So that's why. Yeah, that's the explanation, right? It's like, okay. So guys, pag pula yan, kasi nagte-text-text sila, mahilig yung Korean sa cellphone. Kaya pag green, green. Ayan. Ay red pa. Kaya di pa kami nakakago. Ayan, pula tuloy yan. My face is red. Hey, Kilson. Yeah. My face is red. Where's Angie? Where's Angie?
Make a video.
Yeah.
You edit later the video or your friends or you have a
I edit all.
Wow,
Yeah.
a lot of work.
A lot of work, right?
You edit in the phone or
Yongsan, is Yongsan Station the biggest?
second?
Second. What's
Or
the
third?
biggest?
Biggest Seoul station.
Seoul.
And then I think it's Busan.
Busan second, and then
But
the
I think
third one.
this is second.
Second. Second this
Because
one.
they have, you know, Imat, iPark, there's
Guys, we're now in Myeongdong. G and Gilson. Finally, we're back in Myeongdong forever. And Myeongdong Gyoza.
is the new one, but they are famous.
Yeah, we saw there are a lot of, you know, lines. People were lining up.
I came here with Ronaldo.
With Ronaldo, you ate there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, right?
Wow, you ate together with a World Cup champion. Amazing.
What menu? Which one you ate? Is it delicious?
Actually, for me, it was just normal.
So nandito na naman kami for the 100 time. Yeah, with Gilson. Yep. Forever. Myeongdong
Locker.
forever.
I'm the locker.
Locker. Yeah. Locker. Walking locker. Yeah. So, guys, papunta na kami doon. So, super excited na kumain dahil gugutom na talaga ako. Lamig dito sa Korea.
Wala ko, kay Jay yun kasi hindi ko makain.
Hey, Chief.
Strawberry.
Korea, Korea, Korea!
Korea.
Oh my god, the girls are so fast!
Are you okay? Sorry. Mabigat nga pala yung dala niya.
They're so fast! Pali, pali!
Miyane. So guys, dito kami kakain. Yeah. Hi guys. So ito nga pala, nagluluto si Angge. Hi! dito kami dinala ni Anghet na walang Anghet. Dahil nakita namin sa TikTok, ito talaga yung plano. So dito rin kami dinala. Guys, hi! So guys, kakain na kami dito. Yeah. Thank you for the beef, Angie. Luto na yan ni Anghet na walang Anghet. Yeah. Hi. Kain na kami.
Hello!